I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Discord. First, join a community server and read the rules so you know allowed commands and etiquette. Next, locate the bot channel and learn the basic commands like spawn, catch, and battle to start your collection. Practice trading safely and use prefixes correctly. Be respectful, report problems to mods, and have fun learning strategies with friends. Join voice chats for cooperative raids. Start by customizing your profile and assigning in server roles to access bot channels and trading features. Learn common bot commands and practice using shorthand to save time during battles. Manage your items and inventory to avoid losing rare Pokémons during accidental trades or deletions. Use pinned messages and help channels to find FAQs and command lists quickly. Network with experienced players to learn battle smart by predicting opponent moves and switching Pokémon to exploit type advantages. Keep a balanced team with attackers, tanks, and support to handle varied encounters. Use status effects and items strategically to turn tight matches in your favor. Level up by participating in raids and daily events to gain experience and rare catches. Keep notes on opponents and builds to refine your tactics with friends and win more consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.